Hello guys, welcome to Crochet Mood, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet these beautiful flowers. You can use them as accessories, decoration. You can turn them into beautiful earrings and they're gonna look so beautiful. So we're gonna need 2 yarns. I'm using a white yarn and a maroon yarn, and I'm gonna be using a 3.5mm hook. So we're gonna start by making a slip knot like this. So after making a slip knot, we're gonna chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then we're gonna make a slip knot here. We're gonna slip stitch here. Now we've made a small circle. After doing this, we're gonna chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna make 3 treble crochets inside this circle. We're making it like this. Yarn over 2 times. Then insert inside the circle, yarn over, pull through. You're gonna have 4 loops on your chain. Yarn over, pull through 2. You're gonna have 3 loops on your chain, on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Gonna have 2 loops on your hook. Then yarn over and pull through again. We're gonna make 3 of these. That's 1. Yarn over 2 times. Like that. Yarn over again. No, yarn over 2 times. That's 3. Then we're gonna chain 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna slip stitch here like this. That's 1 flower petal. Now we're gonna chain 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 treble crochets again. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 1. Two, and 3. Once you make 3 treble crochets, you're gonna chain 4 again and slip stitch here like this. Insert your hook and pull through, yarn over and pull through. 2 flower petals. Now this is this part of the flower, the white part. You're going to continue like that until you have 5 petals. So just follow the pattern, and I'm going to meet you on the in the 5th flower petal, so that I can explain to you how you're going to continue. So once you're done, you're gonna be having something like this, and I've already chained 4. Now I'm gonna slip stitch here. Then chain 1, and I'm gonna cut this white yarn because I'm done with this part. You're gonna be having this beautiful flower like this. Now I'm going to show you how to make this maroon part. Let's cut off this yarn and this one. We're gonna take our maroon yarn and you're gonna make a slip knot like this. See how easy it is. Then take our flower and attach it. Attach the maroon yarn to the flower like this. Insert your hook inside this hole. Then take the flower, the lip of the flower, and we don't need this short part. Then we're gonna chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we're gonna make 5 treble crochets around these stitches. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, treble crochets, we're making it like this. Yarn over 2 times, insert your crochet hook inside the pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Gonna do that again here. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. You're going to be doing that 5 times. Again. And the last one. Once you're done, it should be looking like this. Then chain 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we're gonna slip stitch here insert your hook inside the small circle and slip stitch like that. Then chain 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. we're gonna make another five treble crochets in these stitches. One, two, three, four, and five. Then chain 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then slip stitch here. Sorry, slip stitch like that. Then chain 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You see how it's looking like? I'm going to show you this last part, then we're going to meet on the last flower petal. Yarn over 2 times, insert your hook, make 5 treble crochets. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then we're gonna make a slip stitch here again. You're going to continue with that pattern until you are in the last flower petal. Let's meet in the last flower petal when you're done. This is how my flower is looking like on the last part. I've already chained 7, so we're going to slip stitch here. Then chain 1, then cut off your yarn. Done. Let's cut off this yarn. And this one. So, you see, the flower is ready.